If you're an Amazon seller looking to maximize your profits, SellerRunning is just the right tool for you. This powerful tool offers a range of features that can simplify the process of finding profitable products to sell on Amazon. SellerRunning also supports you in listing these products to 16 different marketplaces from Amazon.com. You even have the option to automate customer feedback management. SellerRunning has its own Chrome extension that makes product search a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can find hundreds of products with a high profit margin and resell these to other Amazon marketplaces. This feature saves you time and effort by eliminating the need to manually browse through endless product listings. Instead, you can quickly identify lucrative opportunities and expand your inventory and boost sales. The best part is you don't need to invest in products until the product has actually been purchased. Once your customer places an order, just click on the Order Now button to buy the product in one click. Let's look at expanding to new marketplaces. Selling on multiple marketplaces gives you an opportunity to increase your reach and your potential customer base. SellerRunning allows you to easily add new marketplaces and list your products on them, all within the same platform. This seamless integration saves you from the hassle of managing multiple accounts across multiple marketplaces and having to sign into each one. This is a great way to ensure efficient cross-marketing operations. Optimizing pricing for maximum profits. Determining the right price for your products can be a challenging task, but with SellerRunning's built-in repricer, it makes repricing your products for profit a breeze. You can automatically adjust your prices to stay competitive and maximize your profits. This intelligent repricing algorithm takes into consideration many factors. All of these factors ensure that you reach your desired outcome when it comes to your profit margins. By leveraging this feature, not only do you ensure that you're always making a profit, but you ensure that your prices remain competitive. And competitive pricing is a way to significantly improve your chances of winning the buy box. This, of course, is one of the easiest ways to ensure that you're increasing your revenue on Amazon.com. Let's talk about customer feedback management. Managing customer feedback is a crucial way of keeping a positive reputation on Amazon, and it also increases your chances of winning the buy box. SellerRunning offers powerful automation tools to simplify this process. You can set up automated emails to be sent to your customers upon delivery. This goes towards ensuring that your products are delivered on time. Additionally, these tools allow you to manage positive and negative customer feedback. By automating these tasks, you can save time and ensure customer satisfaction. SellerRunning is a game changer for Amazon sellers, and it covers all the stages of selling on Amazon. With SellerRunning, you get a comprehensive set of tools to optimize your Amazon business. From product research to listing on different marketplaces to intelligent pricing and automated customer management, SellerRunning streamlines your operations and boosts your profitability. So give SellerRunning a chance today and let us help you make money on Amazon.